All right, students. I'm doing attendance. All of you need to be silent until I say your name. Caillou?
Here.
Classic Caillou? I swear if Classic Caillou doesn't make an appearance to my class, he is getting a 30-minute detention. Never mind, I will mark him as absent. Clementine?
Here.
Sarah?
Here.
Well, someone decided to pull the fire alarm.
Well, fair enough. Alright guys, I'm here.
You were late to the school. That's a 30-minute detention.
Miss Martin. Who agrees with me?
We disagree. Friends don't agree with haters.
I hate you all.
What Sarah said is actually true.
Time to log in my laptop. What the actual heck? Why do I have a notification in my laptop? It literally says that someone pulled the fire alarm, and it is, of course, Classic Caillou who pulled the fire alarm. Please can I borrow Classic Caillou? Well, this is the second time you pulled the fire alarm.
Well, it's because I literally hate this school.
Hating on this school, eh? Get the heck out of this school. You're expelled.
God damn you, principal.
God damn it, Classic Caillou. This is the second time you pulled the fire alarm. Not only that, but the principal told me that you were suspended for 2 weeks. So your devices are going to be taken for 2 weeks.
Yes, Dad, I know.
Then why the heck did you pull the fire alarm?
It's just that I fricking hate school, okay?
And you're grounded for 5 weeks for shouting at me. My thing is, you don't have to hate on your school if you get suspended. It's just 2 weeks, but when it comes to getting grounded, your devices are going to be taken away.
Why can't you just respect my opinion on school?
I will respect your opinion on school, but you don't have to pull the fire alarm.
Dad, I can pull the fire alarm whenever I want.
You can, but your dumb brain cannot tell you to pull the fire alarm.
My brain isn't alive, you dumb frick.
I don't give a flying frick. It's either that your brain is alive or not. I don't know.
Okay, I had enough yelling. My head hurts, causing it to be a headache.
That's what you deserve for shouting at me.
Oh, shut it, Dad.
Say that again?
Nothing.
Exactly.